Welcome back mga Kabayan Techers. This is your The Kabayan Tech, and today what we're going to do is to replace an iPhone 7 screen, cracked screen, with a new one.
Welcome. 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 Welcome.
Let's start. So, the things that you need: flat metal spludger para po matanggal natin yung screen, pick, black stick, pentalobe 40mm, Y000 40mm, and a screwdriver 40mm, at ang ESD13 po. To remove the security screws at the bottom by using the pentalobe. Next is get the flat metal thin prier para po tanggalin natin yung screen. Same process po. We put the thin prier po dito sa edge ng screen, in between nung case at nung screen po. Gently rock it back and forth until such point na pag inikot nyo po siya, and when you pull it down, hindi na po natatanggal to. And then you could just rock it back and forth and then push it again. So, push this side so at least mapapasok po natin yung ating pick. So for the iPhone 7, nakahook po ang screen dito. So what we do is we gently rock it back and forth. Okay? If you could turn off the phone, do that and turn it off. If not, diretso po tayo doon sa battery connector po natin. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take out the battery cover and also the camera cover. So using the Y000, we're going to remove the screws. We're going to remove the battery connector using the pointed edge of the black stick. Then we use the flat end of the black stick to pry the display connector and the home button. Then we go on to the camera connector. We remove the two screws using a 40mm screwdriver. We use the flat end of the black stick at sa likod po natin siya iti-twist para matanggal po siya. Pull it up. Clean the edges of the phone by taking out the adhesives. Grab a Q-tip and dip the Q-tip on an isopropyl alcohol and then smudge nyo po yung sides to clean it. Purpose po nun is para kumapit po yung ating screen adhesive na ibabalik natin. Put in the adhesives. So ito pong ginagamit ko is 3-piece po ito. So first is to remove the longer edge blue. To line this one up corner to corner. Yung second piece po, may tab po tayo rito. We remove this one and ang matitira po is the outer edge. And we remove this later on pag nakalagay na po yung screen natin, or kung mas comfortable po kayo na tanggalin na ngayon, nasa sa inyo po yun. To remove the front camera and also the home button. In this case, meron po tayong separate video for it on removing the front camera and also the home button for iPhone 7 and 8. Assuming po na natanggal na po natin at nailagay na po natin ang ating sa bagong screen, ang ating home button at camera, front camera, what we're going to do is we're going to install the new screen onto the phone. First step is to connect yung home button po, connector. Yan po. And the next one is to the display cable. Okay. Next would be to connect the camera cable dito po sa kanyang port. Just to make sure, use the flat edge of the black stick para lang malaman nyo na nakalapat po siya. Next is before you put in all the covers, the metal covers, put the battery in and then test the unit. Okay? So, mapapansin ninyo po, to put it back, meron pong hook yung display natin. Yun po yung nakikita nyo, tatlo po siya. Okay? So, but before we do that, let's put back the metal covers. Take out the plastic cover of the outer layer nung screen adhesive. To put it back, again, meron po tayong hook sa taas. So, una po siya. So, i-hook po natin by putting ito na na-angle, then ipupush po natin forward. Okay? Then, yung side po natin, tignan natin yung cable na nandito sa gilid. Yan po. And we're going to push it down by tucking it in. Pag meron pong lumalaban, just pull it up again and then put it back again. And then the last step is to put back the security screws. Mga kabayan techers, this is replacing the iPhone 7 with the new screen. Click on subscribe and hit the like button and also click the bell para malaman ninyo kung meron tayong fresh content. This is your The Kabayan Tech. Thank you very much and have a good day.